She be my queen since we were 16. We want the same things, we dream the same dreams, alright.